guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. So I had a crazy plan of signing up to do Drift Week with the FC. So went through the whole intro process. We had to like do like an interview and do all this stuff and pay a fee to get in to do the event because the FC is reliable. So the FC is a reliable drift car that had little issues like a diff, which is an easy fix. But so I spent all this time and money getting the FC set up to do Drift Week. Everything went good. Paid for the entry fee, and then I get a call that my car was wrecked. So I paid this company to transfer my car from my boy's house in California all the way to here to the shop. And in Texas, the car ended up getting hit. So the car got T-boned. It was before the whole freezing thing. Not sure yet what happened. Like they're saying it's a drunk driver. The police report doesn't say it's a drunk driver, so I don't even know what's going on. But the car was T-boned off the trailer. A bunch of shit happened after that. The truck broke down. They couldn't bring me the car. The car sat there almost fucking month. So I ended up having to hire someone else to bring the car to me. And basically this is why it's been so long for me to say that the car got wrecked. The car got wrecked, I think it's the 10th of February. And it literally took me all the way to right now to get the car in my possession. The only thing that I know is that it was 21-year-old kid, possibly drunk, was definitely speeding, hit the trailer. The car literally like got ripped off the trailer. The trailer got ripped off their truck. The other car got totaled. So I mean, it's a really bad accident. Luckily, no one got hurt. But now I'm basically just trying to figure out what to do with my car. Like, so I really don't know yet. Waiting on their insurance. I haven't really been too I don't know. They've just been bullshitting. They haven't really hit me up about anything. I've been calling the adjuster and haven't got anything back from them. So gotta wait on that before you can even touch the car. Don't ask me about part outs. I'm not parting the car out. But I'm not just gonna show you how the car looks like, pretty much.
Not that bad, right? It can be fixed.
We can't rebuild as long as the foundation is still intact.
The foundation is not intact.
Quick backstory: the guys that originally towed this car left the car in Texas. I had to get someone else to tow it, and this car just cursed because yesterday even the new guy got into an accident with the car.
So what happened yesterday?
So yesterday I got rear-ended, man. The car actually has it's got some bad voodoo right now. Somebody rear-ended me, bent the front of the trailer.
Oh my.
The car actually was up here, and it released itself from all four straps and went back 6 feet. I'm glad it didn't drop off the trailer.
I'm glad you're safe, man. This
man.
car is just like something else.
Yeah, John, no, for real, man. And it hurts to see the car like this, you know, because all the history of the car, you know. But I'm just glad I made it safe. And
yeah.
Man.
He got us a car here. He's not the shipping company that initially got it crashed.
Yeah,
he's the one that's saving our ass.
The guys called and told us the car was in Dallas. I was actually in Michigan with my family. And I was like, hey, I get somebody to go get it right now. We got it, brought it to Christian's shop in Houston. We're from Houston. And I picked up the car. I had it picked up in Dallas.
Did you know it was this car you're picking up?
I didn't know it was this one, and it actually hurt because, this is your baby.
Oh,
and I see you and Mochi in the car all the time.
Man, this thing is so fucked.
Yeah, man, it
truly
is.
What about the trailer? What's bent on it?
I think just the neck. There's something going on here, so I'm going to take all this off. I think what bent was the railing. I can see it like this. I think what bent was the railing, and it actually used to be a lot straighter. I think just that bottom part probably bent, but the rail did bend. You see the rail? Yeah. It's bent up, and then just the back of the trailer. Man. But besides that, man, I got my leg really bad on the brake pedal of the truck. Yeah, I have my seatbelt on and everything, but the impact, actually, her car was pretty messed up.
This thing is it's unbelievable. I'm pretty sure this car was not meant to leave California because the adventure to get it here is like ridiculous. It's almost like a fucking movie or something. Like, it makes no sense how the hell this happens. Like, usually it's really rare for a car to be involved in an accident while being transported. And for it to happen 2 times, it's like crazy. Like, when they called me, I thought it was a fucking joke.
You didn't know you had this much Bondo on your car?
We're gonna talk about that later, Mike.
We'll talk about that later.
So right now, I'm still not gonna show you the car yet, cause like, it's pretty fucking bad. Like, I thought it didn't look that bad in pictures, but this thing is like, yeah.
I sent you the good look inside. So
Yeah. The thing that hurts me the most, I'm gonna show you real quick, is this fucking wheel. Like, look at this thing. Look at. Oh my god, this thing shit. Look at the bottom of it.
Thank you, Michael.
Fucking done. That shit is wrecked.
Yeah, man. The
Rip
one on the other
Vegas.
side. See
Can
so
you
many
believe this
accidents
shit?
here? Bro, this
What do you
is
think of it?
Sad.
It's ridiculous, right? Like, it's like so bad. There's like literally no fixing it.
I'm gonna buy a clean shell. Oh, I have to keep this truck. Porque yo lo cerré anoche porque anoche me dolía la espalda más porque
Are your wheels okay?
The front one's broken.
Where? Oh no. Just one?
I don't know.
What about the other 3?
I don't know. I'm trying not to cry right now. What can I say? I mean, this car, I did drift it a lot, but I also took really good care of it. And just to see like this right now, it's pretty shitty feeling. It's kind of starting to hit me now, and like, it's pretty fucking bad. It kind of sucks. Can't do shit about it. At least like no one really got hurt in the accident, but this thing's like crushed. I'm like not sure if I'm gonna be able to want to get another FC, because it's not gonna be the same. Sucks. I mean, I literally had the car dialed in super hard. And then for this to happen, I didn't even get to drive it. The car's been sitting since July, and now basically all my plans are just fucking ruined with this car. Bad, huh?
Yo, the wheels are good though.
No,
so
nah,
we're
look at the
good.
front wheel. Look at the inside of it.
Inside? What you mean?
Inside of the wheel.
Oh yeah, I see. Oh no.
Yeah. You thought it could be fixed, huh?
I don't know, man. It's like we're taking the engine and trans out and putting it in something else.
Yeah, this car's ruined forever.
Yeah.
What a shame.
Damn, man.
You can see the car's not really that bad a condition. This tire is completely broken. Serious, like, makes no sense. This side broke off. This wheel, looks like it's good.
You know, like that. It's a sweet car, man.
Yo, he's calling us out. He's calling us out. He's calling the Red Rocket out.
And then here's my GLC.
For Alex. We gotta call Alex out too.
This side's not that bad. Besides this. No. Dang it. So yeah, so this side, this is how I'm gonna show you for right now. It still looks like a cool RX I used to have. Believe it or not, that door's closed and it's bent that hard, so the other side's completely fucked. So it's unreal. Even the exhaust is fucking bent on this car. Like, come on, baby.
Where's the link?
Somewhere down there. You look at the seat. Look at the seat. All right, radio still works. Luckily, I was getting ready to do this trip, so I actually brought extra tie rods. So he's gonna swap it out quick so we can get the car out the trailer. Right now it doesn't turn, so it'll be way easier. We can get the car to actually turn. Q got the tie rod out, and it goes to show you that this like outers for my boy Ryan. He made these like 7-star. These things are fucking beef. He basically took the impact, this snapped off, and this thing is ready to go for a new one. All right, so I got to throw the old Johnnies on it because these things basically are fucked. So I put this thing on there so we can get the car off the trailer. Basically, we're trying to figure out why the car is not wanting to turn straight, because right now this wheel, this side is straight, right? And look at the other side, it's completely turned. But when you look in here, you can see this is bent. This is bent. Subframe's bent up there. The fucking the cooler was getting hit on by the soy bar, so this thing's all fucked. And rip. I think I can weld that back on. Spent the last hour basically getting the new tie rod on, new wheels on, trying to get the car to get off the trailer, and we ended up seeing how bad the car actually is bent. So we're not a steering wheel straight. If you have a straight, one tire straight, one's facing completely out. If you put this side straight, this side's completely out too. So I'm actually under the car now, so I can show you how bad this thing is. So frame completely pushed in. Literally, it's touching the drive shaft. Exhaust got pushed out. You can see like how bad the holy shit. You can see how bad the subframe is literally bent too. This arm's completely fucked. That's all bad. This side's not that bad. This side's like that's broken. Axle's broken. A lot of good memories on this car. Working on it, having all this fun at the track, and now it's just I don't know what to do with the car now. I don't know what the next step is gonna be. Like everything's like really bent. Like transmission might be bad. I don't know how good the diff is. The wheels are completely trash. The body's trash. Most suspension is really bad. Hopefully I don't give up on the FC chassis because it's a really cool car. But financially wise, trying to find a clean shell again. These car, when I bought this car, it was super clean, like super clean. I shouldn't even have done this to it, and I paid $4 grand for it. Now a super clean non-turbo shell costs $8,000. Had to decide what to do. I mean, now I have a baby. I can't really be wasting too much money on cars, so not sure what to do. We'll see what happens with the insurance company. It's kind of a mess. I'll talk about it more later, but now I basically have to just wait, see what happens to the insurance company. Hopefully the car gets covered. Hopefully I don't basically just get stuck with this thing, like basically wrecked in half and just get screwed. Hopefully something good happens with this thing, because right now, I mean, like that move from California here was really tough on me, and then when this happened, it just kind of like, I don't know, it kind of made me like feel like some type of way. But being here with family helps out a lot. Having the baby helps out a lot too. But it's still just like a really shitty situation, because this thing had a lot of memories with me. Like I drove this car across the United States. I mean, I built this car from the ground up just to go hang out with friends, go to the track. I mean, this thing got a lot of exposure because it was a really reliable drift car. I drifted with Tomoya with it. I drifted with Hurt with it. Like, I drifted with my boys with it in SoCal. So like, for it to go out this way is kind of shitty. I mean, this car deserved better, but that's life.
Watch the wheels.
Yo!
Damn, Mike.
No tiene freno.
It's gonna touch. Is it fine?
Están en medio abajo por acá. Ponemos frente arriba por donde va a estar en medio por abajo.
Ahí. Ya.
Sorry, John.
That's the.
Suave.
Make sure it doesn't touch anything and snag.
No, estás cogiendo curva.
Voy a coger curva porque estoy.
Aquí no, aquí está bien.
¿Puedo bajar más?
Yo haría.
Not yet, not yet.
Yo lo bajo ahí en el piso. Y me pongo-
Derecho para atrás, no sé si
derecho.
Sigue derecho.
No,
hay espacio.
Tiene espacio.
Start lowering.
Go low.
Bájalo. Bájalo. That way I can move the truck. and
Ya,
trailer
bájalo.
out of the way.
Bájalo ahí.
Ahí, okay.
Go in the back.
Yeah, but let's get this trailer out of the way.
Rip. Fortunately, I can't do anything with the car yet. I have to wait till the insurance comes, looks at it, and see what happens. So right now the car, I have to leave it as is. As much as it hurts me to look at it like that, I can't do shit with it. So now it's just a waiting game now. Waiting game, and hopefully, I don't know, hope I can get another car.